This video is well requested from my senior brother who is living in Malaysia. He told me if anyone wants to buy something from our shop, what things he really asks and what kind of question he has to ask to a shopkeeper. In this video, I will going to tell you something. If you really want to buy something from our shop, you should ask this type of questions. Okay, let's get started. So he's a shopkeeper behind me, and this is a beverage shops. You will get different kind of things and chocolates, like different kind of noodles and biscuit, cakes, tissue, beverage bottles, 7-Up, etc. You will get here this. But I will ask some question in Bangla because he cannot understand my words, and I'll translate into in English a little bit later when there is no customer here. Some customers has come to the shops to understanding something more, and I have come here to more something. I hope a person who is senior, who live in actually in Malaysia, he will get something understanding, and a person who can speak practically, he must can understand from my words and get confidence to speak properly. Assalamu alaikum uncle. So uncle, আপনার দোকানে যে কেকগুলো কত করে? 10 টাকা করে। Dear guys, this cake price is 10 টাকা। আমাকে দুইটা দেন। দুইটা কেক দেন এগুলো। Okay, I told him to give me 2 pieces of this cake, and I'm looking for something more. আঙ্কেল এই চকলেটগুলো কত? এগুলো 10 টাকা 20 টাকা। মানে এখানে কত? এগুলো কত? 10 টাকা 10 টাকা। এগুলো দুইটা দেন। Okay. Now I'm buying something. Okay. I'm looking for more because today I can't have my breakfast properly. For this reason, I am buying something more. আঙ্কেল চানাচুরগুলো কত এগুলো? 10 টাকা। এটা দুইটা দেন। Okay, I have also bought 2 pieces of chanachur. It's ruchi chanachur. It's an oil famous chanachur. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, so I am showing you what things I have buy. I have bought 2 pieces of ruchi chanachur. The per piece is 10 taka, and also Yoko milk chocolate. The per piece is 10 taka, and 2 pieces of like all time cake in per piece is 10 taka, and I have bought 6 pieces of this item, and the total price is 16 taka. And this time I have no idea. I do not want to buy little more. I don't want to buy something more things, and I will buy something later more because it is enough for me. And in this video I have showed you to something more, and to show you how can you ask something in sitting or staying in a shopkeeper. And I hope from this video you have learned. And there's something more. This is a peanut, and this is a different kind of chewing gum. It is a mango flavored chewing gum. It is also popular. Whatever you really want to buy, or if you really want to buy something, if you have a live in Srinagar Upazila district of Munshiganj, you should come this shop and buy something more, because this is a well furnished shop and looks very beautiful, and it is kept everything well properly and very different kind of things and looks very beautiful. Everyone must come here to buy something little more things, I think. And this is the juice. It's called frutica. When I was a child, I was used to drink or used to buy this type of fruit. My father bought and showed me and give me to buy something more. Different kind of powder, snow, or different kind of scent you will get here from this shop. And the shop owner is living in this Upazila also. And if you really want to buy something more, if you really should come here. And I hope from this video at least you will get something more understanding. If you really want to speak in English like me, you should come here outside and you have to practice more and more, and one day you can speak in English like a native speaker. So I have to leave and I have to end this video here because there is nothing to say express more, and I have to go to my college. I have short time, and inshallah I will come back with another video with new things. At that time, goodbye, see you next day.